Good evening, my dear second semester diploma students in our state. Yesterday, I have already taught what is the state and proof parallelogram theorem. You know that this theorem states that if two forces are acting at a point be represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, then the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the intersection of their point. Then R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. Today I will solve two problems. First question is, find the magnitude of two forces such that if they act at an angle of the resultant is root over 10 kilonewton. While when they act at an angle of 60 degree, the resultant is root over 13 kilonewtons. First, let P and Q are two forces and theta is the angle. Theta is the angle between them. According to questions, when theta is equal to 90 degree, when theta is equal to 90 degree, the resultant is root over 10. Then when theta is equal to 60 degree, when theta is equal to 60 degree, R is equal to root over 13. Then according to questions, you know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. According to question, when theta is equal to 90 degree, R is equal to root over 10. Now, putting the values, we have root over 10 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90. Then root over 10 is equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ. You know that sin 0, 0, sin 90, 1. But cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0. Therefore, cos 90 is equal to 0. Then, putting the value of cos 90 is equal to 0, we have P square plus Q square plus 0. Now, squaring both sides, we have squaring both sides, we have, you know that root over 10 square is equal to 10. Root over P square plus Q square is equal to P square plus Q square. Therefore, P square plus Q square is equal to 10. Then, when theta is equal to 60 degree, R is equal to root over 13. Then we have root over 13 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 60 degree. You know that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Since cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, I am writing as p square plus q square plus 2pq into 1 by 2 root over. Then this equation becomes root over 13 is equal to p square plus q square plus p q root over. Then squaring both sides, we have squaring both sides, we have root over 13 square is equal to 13. Root over p square plus q square plus pq is equal to p square plus q square plus pq. From previous equation, you know p square plus q square is equal to 10. Then we have 13 is equal to 10 plus pq. Therefore, pq is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. You know from high school, p plus q square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq, and p minus q square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. Here we apply that equations. P plus q square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq. Putting this value of p square plus q square, you know that p square plus q square is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 into pq is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 16. P plus q square is equal to 16. Therefore, p plus q is equal to root over 16 is equal to 4. Then p minus q square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. Then putting the values, we have p square plus q square is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 into 3 because pq is equal to 3. This equation becomes 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, p minus q square is equal to 4. P minus q is equal to root over 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, p plus q is equal to 4 and p minus q is equal to 2. Therefore, p minus q is equal to 2. Then adding these two equations, we have plus q minus q cancel. P plus p, 2p is equal to 6. Therefore, p is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Then putting the value of a p in this equation or this equation, we have p plus q is equal to 4 or 3 plus q is equal to 4 or Q is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to equation. Then the two forces, that is P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 1. This is the required forces. Second question is the greatest and least resultant of two forces are respectively 17 kilonewton and 3 kilonewton. Determine the angle between the two forces when the resultant is root over 149 kilonewton. Let P and Q are two forces. Let P and Q are two forces. The least forces is equal to 3 kilonewton. Greatest resultant forces is equal to 17 kilonewton. Now, theta is the included angle is to be found out. Included angle is to be found out. Now, according to question, greatest force means P plus Q. P plus Q is equal to 17. Least resultant force, that means P minus Q is equal to 3. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Now, adding this equation 1 and 2, we have plus Q and minus Q cancel. P plus P. 2P is equal to 20. Therefore, P is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Now, putting the value of P, that is 10, in equation 1 or 2, we have P plus Q is equal to 17. P is equal to 10. Therefore, 10 plus Q is equal to 17. Therefore, Q is equal to 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. You know that R, that is the resultant force, R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Then R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Here, resultant is 149 root over given. That is R is equal to 149 root over given. Then, putting all the values, we have 149 root over is equal to 10 square plus 7 square plus 2 into 10 into 7 cos theta, or 149 root over is equal to 10 square is equal to 100 plus 7 square 49 plus 140 2 to 10 20 into 7 140 cos theta. root over or 149 root over is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta root over. Then squaring both sides, we have squaring both sides, we have that is 149 root over, that is square, is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta root over, that is square, is equal to 149, is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta. Then 149 cos theta is equal to 140 cos theta is equal to 149 minus 149 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 0 by 140. Cos theta is equal to 0 by 140 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 0. Or we can write as cos theta is equal to cos 90. You have already know that cos 0 0 cos 0 1 cos 90 cos 0 0 1 cos 90 0. Therefore cos cancel, theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore the required angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Thank you. Then I will discuss another problem tomorrow.